How to fix WhatsApp business download failed on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp business download failed on Android phone. First click settings here and now click apps and then click apps again, and now just type here WhatsApp and click on it, and then just click permissions. Allow storage here, maybe you'll find it like that. Click allow and then go to data usage, allow background data here, and then go to storage, clear cache. Now just go back, go to storage here and then clean up. Now just clean some space. You can just clean junk files if you want, and that's it. Your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Now just go back and try again, and see you in the next video.